Welcome back to Learning American English. We are happy you are here and would like to invite you to subscribe to our podcast so you can best benefit from our weekly educational episodes for English learners. Each of our episodes focus on a specific, practical topic that you will encounter in real American life. Every lesson is structured in exactly the same way, so you always know what to expect and how to study most effectively. Part 1. Vocabulary. Each lesson begins with 10 carefully chosen vocabulary words related to the lesson's topic. Each word includes a clear definition and an example sentence showing the word used naturally in context. Read these words before the rest of the lesson to prepare your mind for the new concepts ahead. Part 2. Dialogue. Each lesson includes a realistic, context-based conversation between people in a real-life American situation. Read both sides of the dialogue aloud if possible. This builds natural spoken fluency. Notice the tone, the language used, and how the characters handle the social situation with confidence and grace. Part 3. Guidance article. Each lesson includes a mini article that explains the cultural topic in depth, the history, the norms, the nuances, and the why behind the behaviors. Reading this section will give you genuine understanding, not just surface-level rules. Part 4. Tips and strategies. Each lesson closes with 3 specific, actionable real-life tips that you can begin using immediately. These are practical strategies drawn from real American cultural experience, not generic advice. Are you ready to begin? Okay, here we go.
American holidays and celebrations. American holidays are a wonderful window into the country's history, values, and cultural traditions. From patriotic celebrations that light up the summer sky to warm family gatherings around the harvest table, participating in American holidays can help you feel genuinely connected to your new community and the people in it. Part 1. Vocabulary, 10 keywords. 1. Federal holiday. An official public holiday recognized by the U.S. government when banks and offices close. Banks and government offices are closed on all federal holidays. 2. Tradition. A custom or practice passed down through generations within a culture or family. Watching fireworks on the 4th of July is a beloved American tradition. 3. Patriotic. Showing love, pride, and devotion to one's country. The town held a patriotic parade complete with flags and a marching band. 4. Commemorate. To honor and preserve the memory of a person or historical event. Memorial Day commemorates military personnel who died serving their country. 5. Festive. Joyful and celebratory, as if for a holiday or special occasion. The neighborhood looked festive with colorful lights and decorations in December. 6. Gratitude. The quality of being deeply thankful and appreciating what one has. Thanksgiving is a time to express gratitude for family, health, and abundance. 7. Resolution. A firm personal decision or commitment, especially one made at the new year. Her New Year's resolution was to exercise 3 times a week. Costume. Special clothing worn to represent a character or theme, especially on Halloween. The children wore imaginative costumes and went trick-or-treating on Halloween night. 9. Secular. Not connected with or controlled by religious beliefs or institutions. While Christmas has religious roots, it is also celebrated as a secular cultural holiday. 10. Harvest. The season or process of gathering crops, also used to mean abundance. Thanksgiving has deep roots in early colonial harvest celebrations and community sharing. Part 2. Dialogue, learning about Thanksgiving. Beth. Are you doing anything for Thanksgiving next week, Kimmy? Kimmy. I'm not sure. I don't have family here. What exactly do people do? Beth. Most people have a big dinner with family. There's usually turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pie. It's really all about being together and feeling grateful. Kimmy. That sounds lovely. Is there a religious aspect to it? Beth. Some families say grace before dinner, but it's mostly a secular holiday. It's about family, food, and gratitude. Kimmy. I'd love to experience it. I've seen so much about it on TV, but never actually celebrated. Beth. Then you should join us. My family loves having new people at the table. Kimmy. Are you sure? I wouldn't want to intrude. Beth. The more the merrier. That's very much the spirit of Thanksgiving. I'll text you the details. Part 3. Guidance article, Major American Holidays and What They Mean. The United States celebrates a variety of holidays throughout the year, each reflecting a facet of American history, values, and community life. New Year's Eve and Day, December 31st and January 1st, are celebrated with fireworks, parties, and the tradition of making personal resolutions for the year ahead. The famous ball drop in Times Square is watched by millions. Independence Day, July 4th, celebrates the adoption of the Declaration of Independence in 1776. It is marked with fireworks, barbecues, parades, and patriotic displays, one of the most joyful and festive holidays of the year. Thanksgiving, the fourth Thursday of November, is perhaps the most distinctly American holiday. It brings families together for a large meal and is rooted in gratitude for harvest and community. It is a time when many Americans travel home to be with loved ones. Halloween, October 31st, is beloved by children who dress in costumes and go trick-or-treating to collect candy from neighbors. Adults also celebrate with costume parties and seasonal events. Christmas, December 25th, is a federal holiday celebrated both as a religious observance and as a secular cultural event involving gift-giving, decorating, and family gatherings. People of all backgrounds often participate in the cultural aspects of the holiday season. Part 4. 3 real-life tips and strategies. Tip 1. If you are invited to share an American holiday with someone's family, accept graciously and offer to bring something, a dish, dessert, or bottle of wine. This small gesture is genuinely appreciated by hosts and shows cultural awareness and warmth. Tip 2. Learn the customs of holidays before participating. On Halloween, if your porch light is on, children may come trick-or-treating. Have candy ready if you want to participate. On July 4th, look for free public fireworks events in local parks, which are a wonderful community experience. Tip 3. Use holidays as opportunities to connect with your community. Many cities host free public events, parades, festivals, outdoor concerts around major holidays. These are wonderful, low-pressure ways to meet neighbors, feel belonging, and experience American culture firsthand.
We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Learning American English and would greatly appreciate it if you would take a moment right now, if you haven't already done so, to subscribe to our weekly podcast episodes. This podcast was created by Mr. Johan Elvis Sersea, also known as Maestro Sersea, a California-based American English community college instructor who has been teaching American English to English learners in California, United States of America since 1989. Did you know Maestro Sersea has published 7 books on Amazon, numerous educational websites, dozens of podcasts, and nearly 2,000 educational and music videos for English learners on his YouTube channel? Maestro Sersea is also a prolific musician who has created and published numerous songs in various languages, available on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, YouTube, and other major streaming platforms. In addition, Maestro Sersea is the director and lead instructor of California International Online School, an online American English language school based in California, USA, teaching international English learners just like you. Check for the links in the comments section below and visit our educational and music video YouTube channel, as well as our online school website to learn more English and enjoy a variety of powerful and entertaining music albums.